These are the top 5 things to do in Memphis for free or almost free. All of these items are either completely free or only cost a few dollars. The first thing is not this wonderful wall art, but it is the trolley. I especially like the trolley because the trolley can get you to everything else on the list. The trolley in Memphis is only $1 for one ride or $2 for all day. I think that is an exceptional deal for family fun and a quick way to get around the town. The maps are located at every station and pretty easy to read. The trolley can also get you around quickly to the Civil Rights Museum, the Blues Hall of Fame, and Beale Street in no time. We liked it a lot, and it was a nice break from all the walking, even if it was just for 5 or 10 minutes at a time. This is definitely a must-do if you are in Memphis. And stop off at the next stop, the Peabody Hotel, for the second thing, the Peabody Duck March. The Peabody is known for its legendary Duck March. And I'm not talking about these ducks. I'm talking about these ducks. They march every day from their luxury rooftop penthouse to this beautiful fountain and then swim around the fountain all day long. While you're there, you could get a fancy drink if you want. But if you don't, watching the Peabody Duck March is completely free. I will say, because of the current restrictions for social distancing, they only allow you to come in for the Duck March if you are a guest at the hotel. But don't worry, if you're not able to go into the hotel, you can check out my full version video of the Duck March here on my channel. And also, while the Duck March isn't going on, you can come in and watch the ducks swim around, even if you're not a guest at the hotel. The march happens every day at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. Arrive early if you want to see the red carpet rollout, and if you have kids, they might even be able to be part of the red carpet team. Number 3 on my list is the Arcade Restaurant. This restaurant is famous because Elvis used to eat here. So you're really getting the experience of eating somewhere that Elvis actually ate, and they have his favorite items on their menu. When you first walk in, you're in the original vintage area that hasn't been updated. They also have an expanded remodel section that's up to date and kind of vintage modern. While you could have lunch here, you could also just get a cappuccino or a milkshake to really experience one of the places that the legendary Elvis actually ate. This would only cost you a couple bucks if you just get one of these drinks.
Want to see a magic trick? Oh!
Well, that looks pretty good, Adriana, doesn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Number 4 on my list is Beale Street, and this one is completely free. Not only is it free, it's pretty awesome. You can just walk around Beale Street. There's so much to do and so much to see. There's a lot of good things to eat, but also you can just look around and enjoy the fun, happy environment. There's a lot of history on Beale Street, but it's also just a great place to go You can enjoy a fuller version of Beale Street on my channel if you want to see more about our experience on Beale Street. I really liked this candy shop, and I really liked this shop. They had hats, and this nice guy styled this awesome hat for my son. So check that out. He said they're the oldest shop on the new Beale, so I guess that means they were there since the 80s, I think. Eel Etc. Fashions. So don't miss it. Beale's a definite must-see, and it's free. Last but not least, the top 5 thing on my list is the Bass Pro Pyramid. You could easily spend an entire day at this place. Not only do they have an amazing shop with boats and unbelievable sights, but they also have a bowling alley, and they have a beautiful restaurant at the very top of the pyramid. If you want to, they have a lodge where you can stay the night. You can see why their lodge is called Big Cypress Lodge. This Bass Pro Pyramid is the largest Bass Pro in the world, and it is definitely worth a stop on your trip in Memphis. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment below and give me a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more material like this.